What's up, miners? Welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to mine EOS with the Unminable app and also with some miner programs for the CPU and the GPU that will deliver better performance for you. If you are not familiar with EOS, I will leave the link in the description, but just to give you an idea, if we go to CoinGecko, we can see the coin is ranking in position 54 with a price of $3.27. The first thing that you need to do is get a wallet for EOS. You have some options like Trust Wallet, Atomic Wallet, Exodus, for example. All the links are going to be in the description. You will get your own address to receive the funds, okay, from the wallet. After that, go to unminable.com and download this file, okay, the MF5 version. Now, you might have some issues, so before that you will need to do Windows security and place an exclusion on a folder. So I'm just gonna show you real quickly. Virus and threat protection, look for manage settings, go down to exclusions, okay? Select a folder from your system. In my case, under the desktop, I have this exclusions folder. I select that one. And when I save the file, I save it inside that folder, okay? This will allow me to download the file without it being flagged as malware. So in Chrome, press Ctrl J, so you can tell Chrome, hey, you know, I want to keep this file. Keep anyway, show in folder, and from here, we are going to extract this file. Extract here. We are gonna get the Unminable Miner app. We can right-click it and run as administrator. Once the program loads, click Continue, select GPU if you have a graphics card with at least 4 GB of memory. Otherwise, CPU, click Next. Select EOS from the drop-down, enter your address, and use this code E4XD-WMZL. This will allow you to drop the pool fee from 1% to 0.75%. You can click Start. The process takes a couple of minutes to ramp up. You can click the settings and make sure you are in high intensity. You have a name for the worker, the code. You can close this, and in the lower left corner we are going to see in a matter of seconds our hash rate popping up. So it's around 1300 at the moment. I'm going to stop here and I'm going to show you a different way of mining using directly the programs XMRig and Gminer for GPU, and this will give you better performance. So this is the second way of mining using the mining programs directly. We have XMRig and Gminer or Phoenix Miner. In my case, I did a modification to XMRig to drop the donation fee that you have to pay to XMRig. That's 1%. I drop it to 0. And also I created this file that you just right click and run as administrator. The file will ask you all the details it needs to start mining. So there is no need to configure all the details, right, that you would need. So EOS, then the address, then a location and a name for the worker. Give this a couple of seconds, and after that hit enter. The program will start and will start making all the connections to the mining pool. Okay, we see the donation fee at 0%, and this confirms I'm mining. Okay, I'm going to go and do the same with Gminer, for example, for the GPU. Right click, start mining, run as administrator. It will ask me, okay, what is the coin? What is your address? Then the location. And if your card has 4 GB of memory, you type etc hash. If you have more than that, just type et hash. Then a name for the worker, okay? And then the program starts. I'm not gonna be mining with a 1 GB card, okay? This is gonna give me the errors. In your case, you will see the card will build the DAG. It will get to 100%, and once it gets to 100%, it will start making all the connections to the mining pool, and you will know for sure that you are mining. Coming back to XMRig, we can see more connections to the mining pool. If we press the letter H, we can see the hash rate, okay? It's not full potential because I'm recording at the same time, but this should get, for me, it should get up to 1860, around that. Make sure that you connect via wire instead of Wi-Fi. Make sure you increase your Windows virtual memory. You close as many programs as you can. So all of these little things are going to give you higher hash rate. This is all there is to it. It's very simple. I'm available in Telegram. The link is in the description. I can help you with the setup or optimizations, and if you have any other questions, just contact me there. I'm happy to help. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.